Like checking to get over?
Yeah, there he is.
All right. Cowboy Max is going to make a ride.
Hey, Kara.
All right, ready to go, Max? He says, them sheep are bigger when you get right down beside them. All right, Max looks like he's ready. 83 and a half, it's a mark to beat. Claire Mickelson's right. Hang on, Max, you got to hang on. You all right, Max? There's nothing to it. Run in another one. How about a nice round of applause for all our little mud buses so far? Max marks at 81. He's getting encouraged right now. Good job, Max. All right, I think we've got a couple more to go here.
She did? Yes, she did. But she doesn't have a helmet on, so she must not kind of do it.
Oh, he's drawing old Bluebell. Get the helmet on and make a ride here. All right. There we go. Kristen's going to get his helmet on here. One size fits all, Kristen.